Don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets inside them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and bring you down. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets inside them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and bring you down.
Hypocrites attack, now them make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. Our life them can't lock off. You mad? Hypocrites attack, now them make them sit and talk. Our life them can't lock off. What's up, Speak With Mind family? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I am here for a panty moment. Not a brief moment, a panty moment. I am here for people. But people, first and foremost, I never know say I could do a video, a dissect a chocolate and vanilla video, or a play a chocolate and vanilla video, and YouTube restrict the video, people. When you hear who me a dissect or a play chocolate and vanilla, me do a video yesterday, you know, right? And me I tell you, when vanilla come, man, it never nice when vanilla part chip in. And me I say no. I wonder if YouTube are gonna hold this one here. And so said, so done. YouTube will on it. Secondly, if you don't notice me, I tell you about thumbnail on the last Marcia video when I post. I don't end up not seeing a thumbnail. When I make the thumbnail and I put on the graphics and sitting them on the thumbnail, I upload the video without the thumbnail. And all it clear with the video. But when I go so boom now and I had the thumbnail to the video after the video clear, when I look restriction, I say where the right is, that simply mean that the thumbnail is the problem. So I take down the thumbnail, adjust when I feel like might be the problem. When I adjust that, when I take it down, it go back free. When I adjust and put it up back, boom, restriction again. I say already right to do this a thumbnail. I say alright, here I go on. I'm going to change the graphics, same pictures, background, but the graphics and the writing pan the thumbnail. I'm going to change it. Take it down again when I look. Video all clear again. Change it now and do it a far better way and more classy way. Rated, restriction again. So we just say, you know what? I'm going to post this video with no thumbnail again. I'm going to take down the thumbnail, boom, then free up the video. So that's how I end up see the thumbnail of me, so I want to check out the thumbnail pan the video. You understand? But chocolate and vanilla one surprise me, people. I never know say I would have post a video with them and it got a restriction. But me I go watch YouTube with them decision, whether them decide to free it up or not. After them make them decision, me still I go post the video. So if them don't free it up, me still I go post it. Alright? Anyway, people. It was drawn to my attention as me just say a little brief panty moment in that same video that we get restriction. You know, it was drawn to my attention where me hear say my name I call up in a social media. I call up. You know, look a bangarang and whatsoever. Because nobody can mix me up. Because if you are gonna mix me up, you have to come with what I say. And anything what I say, I'm not afraid to say me say. As me say, me live close to Tankwell. Me backline with steel. Me not the one who come out and come cry and bawl and no, you're mad. You don't know who me. You don't know who me, man. You understand? But me hear say my name a call up. But when me hear say my name a call up, me's a youth like this people. Me's not the type of person where I got hear say John Harris said this, said that, I may just jump to the conclusion and you know just jump the gun and come out Me want hear the source where it come from. Me want hear it from the person's mouth. I do want everything where people say them are going to do you and plan for do you, or where people say you're going to hear it from them mouth. You understand? But me really like to hear, you know, the root of things and what have been said and So with all we have said, I don't know what I go on as me telling you. Don't be fooled. Me speak my mind, not keeping up with what's going on in a little space the way the whole mix up. I am not keeping abreast of it. And I am not trying to keep abreast of it because it is too much. As me tell you. Too much and very confusing. And everything will come out one by one, back of the other. And I like something said today and you know, so me try if it just not penetrate it. But it has been said by my name, Carl. When we check the levels, me a search it here was said, which part it said, and stuff. Anyway, I go up on 360 live. I must say dead. I don't know what it is. It was. I don't remember. I try to hear what is what because me say it in play back over there with 13 and say whatsoever she has said. So with all I've said and done, me listen, but me can't, I don't know 360 him do theme type up. Everybody have them style and thing or them run them platform and stuff. So sometimes you know the time to keep up, you now can keep up with 360. But me I listen because I want to hear what my name call about what the whole issue is. As I say, when you see the video where Wall and with Chalk, you might hear a little of this what me I say night and you might have question why me I say it over, but I don't say me I say it over because the video get Wall and even up to last night, people still texting me and ask me if I don't hear my name and call up and whatsoever. Because I don't know you have a little support of them out there. I go say Ray. Which as I say, me glad for that. You see, once you're in a bag of full passa mix up, and my supporter don't feel free if you can draw me attention to certain things. You understand? Not one bag of miss a passa. So my supporter them go so boom and draw me attention to it and stuff and thing. Up to last night, one of me, you know, my top supporter, you know yourself, me now for, you know, getting on me at messenger and thing and very. Me now have a call on you know yourself. And I say, you know, here, them a call up your name and me I say, me hear a little thing, but nothing for me really, you know, alarmed about because, as me say, when me go up and find it on 360, me hear my name call, but all my name call is that they might try to mix up me and the latest. Like they are trying to say we are data, we are say each other are involved. People, let me clear the ear and tell you this straight and plain. Me a big man, me a no big boy. That's a first and foremost. Me is a big man, me a no big boy. So me don't want nobody walk and watch me hockey. When me hockey a plant, none of there water me hockey. So if we are say it's really true, me no need nobody to watch me hockey. Me a no big boy. Me a big man. So if you don't want hockey to watch, you no go watch you no picnic hockey. And if you don't want chocho to watch, you no go watch you no picnic chocho. Alright? Done that so. Anyway, me hear that based on me hear on Ashanti program. I try to rewind it because I didn't want to play it, but I not find time I say Shanti do film things out different way. Sometimes if you don't have time, you know, sit down and listen. So I try to rewind it and think, forget it, but I feel I do too much. Somebody say no, better me come talk. But what me hear is that at first, me hear 13 is like she's saying that the man from foreign, when they come at the funeral, who is a donor, which is the pit bull, yeah. Almost him because the man that me didn't know come from foreigners are doing with it, you know, and up in the pictures and stuff like that. Theme name was the name that were attaching to the same thing where my name attached to. Anyway, 13 skip and go along and talk. Then now me hear when she said the lady V say or tell her say me care latest come a funeral or whatsoever me and latest go away or whatsoever. Me don't even know how it go, people. Honestly, as me tell you, so me confused me not year ago. But when my name called this and I said me and latest there was it again. Nothing more to say again. So if you don't have any clear video or live or dead out them supporters, I want to have the numbers, like which part the count reach in the video, wanna send it come give me. But as I say, me no big boy, me a big man. Me no want nobody watch me hockey. If so be the case and me want date latest, something wrong with that? That is something for people to come and talk about. Eh? Is it that these people are so desperate for content? These people are so desperate for relevancy. These people are so desperate for people to see them. Eh? Is it that so? People, sensible people know say, if that been said, I lie that. Because to my understanding, you know, latest was on her live heading to the funeral. Latest live we a country, me live at Kingston. I have never met latest before until the funeral. You understand? I have never spoken to latest before until the funeral. Whether via phone or face to face. You understand what I say to you? I have never spoken to latest until I book her at the funeral. I was doing my video because I don't know I really like live. Heading towards the funeral. And my video heading towards the funeral, if you go back and watch the video, it was a continuation. And I wouldn't reach a fit when I start video. So where was latest? In my car or whatsoever. I reached the funeral before latest. When I reached the funeral, I think Winsome was there. Winsome was there. Yeah, I think Winsome was there. Yeah, Winsome was there before me. Right? And when I reached the funeral, I was like, me's not a man allowed, sit down. So I was like close to the door, standing up to the door, and then in the church it's kind of hot, so I'm in and out like and stuff. Anyway, stand up at the stairs at the door now for enter in the church. A car come in, pull up. Latest come out and she see me. And she was like, speak my mind. I don't know if you're like, speak my mind. Walk on. You know, and she greet me and me greet her and whatsoever. She beg me to pin on. She get one of Miss Richie button from what she named them, Miss Richie Leggo niece. And pin it on and beg me pin it on her clothes and I pin it on. And that's what was it. More than we did and we did. To Lady V come long after. Right? So all Lady V, if you know if me care latest come there, latest come there. Plus, when me a go away, latest not come in my car, latest call her car and her car come for her. So, sometimes these type of mix up me never want to follow it. And if this has really been said as me say, Lady V, me not have nothing against you. Honestly, me not have nothing against you because the same way how everybody respect you, comes to respect you because of your platform and what you bring across on your platform. The same way everybody respect you, and the same way me end up respect you. You understand? And stuff like that. I am not going to come and, you know, jump, as me say, and say you did say so or whatsoever. I mean, I'm going to say with 13 I say a lie. But this is just me. Me reserving judgment. This is all me stay. Me not just go cast it so. Me reserving it. You understand? Because I want when me a cast it to the fullest. Me not cast it if and but if something really goes so, or she says so, or me have to go come apologize, or wait. No. Me cast it, want to cast it to the fullest. So me still a wait to hear the whole 100. But as me say, you was a woman of my respect. And if this really happen, me lose respect for you. If this happen. If you really say this, and the reason why me gonna lose respect for you, despite it's a simple little things, the type of person you portray yourself to be, me never would I expect this from you. And as me say, this is so simple, this is so common. What is this for you to go and say if you do say it? And if me even say, me carry latest come a funeral or me carry her from funeral or me and her stop off or we go somewhere or whatever. What is that for you to come and speak? That was probably the first time you meet me and latest. You understand? So what give you that energy if you did say or do say so? What would give you that energy to come out and just say that? Is it that you're trying to mix me up? If you say it, you know. Is it that you're trying to mix me up, but because you not try to pull everybody want to sit down on phone with, want to chat this and chat that and chat her and chat she and chat him, and I am not one of those people who sit on phone and chat no more than I allow by. You understand? Me's a boy, me telling them, me not chat on phone with people, you know. Me not like phone conversation like that. Phone conversation, it must like me I do business or something really relevant. But if you just call me a chat like you want susa, you want story, I know my style that. Not in my family there. Me tell you all the while, me not chat to friends and family, not even with their foreign. Because I sus them, I look for any time them call you, or them feel like you beg them something. You understand? So not even that me not do. You understand? And anything when me say, I don't want screen record or any kind of record I don't want to do. I don't want dub plate, cassette or thumb drive. You can't do it because anything you want to have or something me can come out come say. Me no fool, you know. Alright, you know, the Gideon is me born and grow. And you can't twist me up. And as me say, we don't know who the back of the phone and the other end. People can call you and pretend to be like they are this person and that person. And you don't know who you can't fall for people. So I just deal and accordingly. So you can't call me and say, boy, Lady V did say, you can't call me and say 13 say, and when me think about that and what Ashanti say, and what Dana say, and what who say from Taranat say, and expect me I go come out and say things you can scream record, then you go about your ways, you cut out what you want cut out, and you splice out, dice out, and size out what you want size out. Because most of these people are so stupid. It takes two to have a conversation. And if you are going to play all of what me say, you can't play what you say to correspond with what me say or why me say what me say. You can't come to me with no foolishness. You have to can play what you did I say while the next person I say what them I say. So me, oh you carry the news to can understand say, oh, this is why the person is said, or this is why, and then me make my judgment from this. So. But no care not to come screen record and cut out what you want, cut out, splice out and dice out and to cause contention. But no one can do that to me on phone. You understand me? Even have some of my real supporter them where reach out to me and assist in the mountain. Not much, but give thanks to the few who reach out. And as me say, who no reach out and who not reach out, and if nothing no reach out, it still gonna happen. It's just that mother life, you know, say me can't mother do 5 from mile little much, me can't do 10. You understand? I'm going to make sure tell you something now run a charity. Say if you send $1 come here, come give me. And myself you send it for. You send it as a gift. If you say, boy, you say somebody want one of the mountain and reach out to, you say, boy, you know, say, would I like to give a person a 50 layer, and the person have no contact number or whatsoever, I will take it and still give it to the person. I don't know, say give to the person. But anything you want to send, come give me as a gift. Me no need to come out and come explain, say me do this, do that, Taranat, kind of charity me around. But at the same time, I still show no. You understand? Say, boy, I made it do this because he's a man of my word. So, that little mix up here, me don't know what it is for. As me say, probably no just want to draw me in because probably when me get to understand, the support base, as me said before, you know, what Dana have, the people that support her and love her, when you realize say, all the try when I try to bring her down, despite she have her own defense mechanism, you know, and all the propaganda want to spread, she have her evidence and she have her proof towards it. We is still here like a shield around her. So things that she might not hear, we carry to the forefront. You understand what I say? Things that she might bypass, we come out and we lash out against it. And after we lash out against it, we realize that we cannot get close to the empire. Because we are a barrier around it. So we want to try for try to set us up against the woman. Say things to frustrate her if she come out and say things without even think. And then probably we are not look out now for we are not have a separation. But me tell you already, no care what I want to say, I will always talk. No care when Dana come out, come say, me I can always a chat. What me say? Me I can always a chat in defense of the treatment I want to try to hand out to her because she don't deserve it, because of the good that she have been doing. Me I go always chat. So no care how she come chat. No care how no try to stop me. There's many others out there might think the same way. Some might just throw in the towel because me hear chocolate and vanilla say they might just railway them platform and at least you not go here. Me them not go in that because that's for the video with restriction depend. But chocolate and vanilla at this them want. Not talk about throwing and whatsoever no page and no channel. At least the all crutch hole them want. Them want to get rid of the walls around this lady. The support base around her. So them have easier access. Can do what them want to do. You alright? So people, latest, me tell you too, you know. You ever stop being soft, if you be strong, no matter what say about you, you ever come out in a social media and be strong. Stop expose your weakness in social media. They're going to take advantage of you. Stop expose your weakness. No cure your emotional wallet. Cry before if something happen. You go in your house, go lock up on her and your bed as you say and cry before you come on your life. Or you hold it like a G and then when you come out for your life it a pain you that much you're emotional, then you cry. Now come out here, come show nobody your weakness. Me tell you that already. What make me in a relationship? I hear tun and I'm my teapot. So if my teapot want water in it, and me feel like your water, good water for going in my teapot. Right now I left no whole of chlorine and black up my teapot. Why not? Eh? Why not? I know two woman. So all that should worry you. But as me say, me don't have more have been said. Cause me not hear no I don't know. Me don't know how to all the people that make it look like more have been said than when me say me hear. And to all me hear latest pan our live attack and something, me I want to have more have been said. Me don't know. But I just a little part them me hear. Like them as say me care latest come a funeral or me and latest go away. Well, they want to that. If me carry come a funeral, that mean me and her involved in something. Or if me carry from the funeral, that mean me and her involved in something. And if so be the case with a man and woman. And what is that for you to go and talk about if so be the case? Me no know. But people, hypocrites attack. Loud them make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. My style them can't lock off. Yeah man! Hypocrites attack. Loud them make them sit and talk. All them can't. Yeah man! Anyway people, me can't left without a piece of caca eye. Because me did do that video there yesterday with chocolate for give her a break. But as me telling her, say caca eye no want a break. You understand? She no want a break. She make sure Papa fear break goes off of the van because she no want a break. You get to me and say too no. Because I plan to give her the break yesterday with that video there when I drop with chocolate them, you know. You understand? It on a restriction, you know. But here still, she still come out again. You understand? So we are getting in a Marcia video before me end the video, as me say. Me don't come for a panty moment, you know, not a brief moment. So make us do what we are doing so now with caca eye. Alright my people, in that video yeah, she kinda talk low because she have her grandson with her, or Romy, you know. And me I say, your grandson they round you know, you can't lower all the life. You in this life I say, oh the baby frisky and whatsoever, you have to watch him because him energetic, you know, and whatsoever. And you depend your life. And say you depend your life and you talk, you still have to come in and mix up and passa. And my name can't come out of your mouth. You say you give me my medicine already. What kind of medicine you give me? You done me already. What you done me with Marcia? You can't done me, Marcia. Marcia, you can't done me, Marcia. Or if you done somebody who you don't know nothing about. But put out my busy on lighthouse top and you still don't know nothing about me. And you're one just in a phone and everybody know about you. Eh? Everybody know about your business, you know, Marcia. So all you have done me, you can't done me, Marcia. What have you been said in that video about me and my daughter and my mother and whatsoever, where you have not said before in the last year? We are in what? The 4th or the 3rd month now, January, February, March. We are going into the 4th month now of this year, 2024. And you have said all what you said in the last year, Marcia. Eh? Oh, if you done me. You can't done me, Marcia, man. You don't know who you talk to, you know. Me tell the people in the comment section, you know, when know me like that, you know, personally, you know. If you comment and tell you know who me is. Who don't know I know who me is anyway. Make a player.
Yeah. What are we a Facebook festive out there? Me say nothing sweet me so. Me say nothing sweet me so. God know when to pour rain. For the enemy them. God know when to pour rain. Trouble. Don't you no trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion.
Marcia, allow people slang alone. Zion for everybody, but I want somebody use that on a regular basic. Leave that alone. Leave Zion alone and go somewhere else. Go a Bobo Hill. Go up a Bobo Hill and leave Zion alone. You understand? Because you talk about karma, yeah. So what kind of karma? More than me say, you say, nothing happen to nobody. Nobody now get evicted. Nobody now homeless. Nobody now come out say them a finance them trips and them vacations. So what kind of karma? More than the regular day-to-day mix up with people always are doing a life.
Don't you trouble Zion. I always tell people to keep him out of their eye before they get somebody else one. Don't you trouble Zion.
So when you should go up on my case.
Piece of mix up and go on out of social media. And YouTube. All the boy are you boy in the car. You can't always talk when you want to say on social YouTube channel. Me not even look for you. Me already done it already.
She's still in the comment section. She are watching my people. Someone want to continue comment. You understand? Because she might not like. She might not watch the ads. But she give me the views. Yes, man. Because she are watching her. She in the comment section like hawk. Because me want to know which part you done me. Or you done me, Marcia? Marcia, you can't done me because you're born done. You're born with a hollow home. That you only could produce one child. You understand? So you're born done, Marcia. Oh.
I don't care what you want to say. Now the audience them. So you already don't get your dose of medicine already. I have no more medicine to give you. I have time for my grandparents.
She's still a picking out one, you know. She soon talk about one special comment. You have time for your grandparents and the phone?
Anything you want to call me. You want to call me SHIT. Anything you want to call me, you call me. You want to put that by your headline and call me that? I don't care. Me call you all kind of things. Words is words. Me say what I want to say, you could have called me anything you want to call me that. I mean, me call worse than that. Take your medicine and go on with your business. Yeah, your audience them.
We have much later when we come back.
One of them a type up a talk about how a whole place me live in me say because you can't see in my whole place. A whole place me live in me know which part me live better than which part you live 1 million times. Not even 1 million.
I will comment that in a comment. I want to share talk.
I want no one know my business. But inside my place is old. The only thing in a hole is your front. Even if you're young, your front hole. That is it. So the only thing whole is your front. That is it. Me live in a loft. It's called a loft. I mean no saying I live in a no freaking loft.
But me don't know how true it is. But somebody in my comment, I don't know if you don't see that one there. I mean if I see one your address. Someone said a loft is a commercial building that them like create a resident and the commercial business building. I don't know what true it is. So if it's a commercial building you live on, and I make it look like you live on a well-established resident area. No, Marcia. That come like a man build him store and build a house on top of it. So same place him store that same place him live. That's a commercial area if so be the case, Marcia. Not a
You
residential
understand?
area.
So, you're too grudgeful and bad mind about a lot of luxury building is renting low income place. But coupon you, what a way you come and watch over my page. I talk about because me said the other day, me said my car yesterday, me said because my glass is off of my rent. When I refer to that, I was referring to Woodland Village. Me never refer to where me staying. Cause which part me I stay, me coulda never pay $9.50 for this place yeah. After me dey on welfare. Me dey on welfare. You think I get to this? You think I get to this? You must think say I get to. You must think say I get to me living. You can't even come in here so unless you have a permit. For scan. For come in here so. You think you can't just drive your car and come in here so? You have to scan your permit and pay for that a monthly. It's go park on the right side of the road. So we know what you talk about.
People, on an honest note, you don't know Marcia hype and cockatty, don't it? You don't know how Marcia hype and cockatty. You figure more or less say all this Marcia talk about, you think you can just drive come in here, sir? Because basically she's trying to say it's a gated community where you have to scan your cards or scan your card and it allows you to enter. You don't feel like say if that Marcia do, Marcia would have put up in our Islander and crap down window and push out and turn all the camera phone to see the Anna push out and a scan her card. You don't feel so. Remember the master them cockatty and hyping and want to show the life where them are living. So you don't feel like master don't show when she has scan card. Master certain things they come out and come tell people and feel like people just going to believe it just so. Move ya man.
Where you at? Me say, all of the past, all of the watch out people live. Where you come over here watch me for? You know where you come over here watch me for? You don't know which part in your brain. Which part in your brain in America you get gym. Kind of same thing. For $1,000.
Watch out. Marcia boast about which part she live. And watch it. It's a 19-inch TV Marcia scale down to. Marcia did have one 32-inch TV where she had half of me when she did at Woodland Village. So the remote get messed up and she now buying a universal remote because she can't bother the punching every minute. What kind of punching every minute? Once you program that remote one time, you don't have to program it again. And then she goes, TV too cheap. But you still you mark upon me with TV. Say too cheap. For you go buy a remote. I mean, we have a big 55-inch and big 44-inch TV. Where they've now what? 55-inch, yeah, so 44-inch down on my yard. Where they've now what? You half a TV. Plus me have one big back flat screen still working. Panasonic still working. You understand what I say? And look, they scale down from a 32-inch to a 19-inch TV. Did you know that these 19-inch TV don't sell for domestic purpose anymore? You know what these 19-inch TV sell for, Marcia? CCTV purpose. When a man's walk in a store and buy a 19-inch TV or a 22-inch or 24-inch TV right now, is to hook up his CCTV cameras on it. People don't watch them anymore. Not even a picnic room them not no more. What you do with a 19-inch TV in your big upscale community house where you live in? Look there. And you're coming from a 32-inch to a 19-inch. Come on, Marcia. Do better than that, Marcia, man. Do better than that. A CCTV will hook up them camera will hook up on them TV, the Marcia. CCTV will hook up on them camera there. On them TV.
What a way you come over here and watch me, bitch. What a way you come over here and watch me. What a way you come over here watching me. BITCH. What a way you come and watch me.
The next thing. Why did she downstairs I do a video and she a show us on the ear me show on oh, see there? Hey, look how my ceiling. Look how my ceiling. Aye, look there. People, you want to see in her bedroom where she claimed to side the bedroom. When she stand up in her bed, as when me tell her, she touch the ceiling. I just sit down the lower flat because I know upstairs Marcia live in her, you know. Marcia live in a step up. Marcia don't live in an upstairs. I make sure come telling about upstairs, bedroom upstairs. Marcia live in a step up. Even at this video when me I watch, me identify it. It take 3 step. 3 step, not staircase. 3 step for reaching the bedroom. So it's like she step out of either the living room or step out of the kitchen and just step 3 step. 1, 2, 3. It in that video yeah, when me have on my phone. And she come and talk about upstairs. You know what's upstairs? Upstairs consists of a staircase. That's an upstairs. That is consists of a staircase, not a step up. Marcia, which part you live? Coming like them people down a country where I build them place. And because of all them city rate, which part of them I build city rate with water every rain fall come from the hills and them something there. What them do? Them build some posts. Build up couple posts as the structure to put the house on. So if water come down the hill, it run under the house. Instead of if them build it on the flat, the water that come into the house. So basically when them build that now, with them posts, them build the house on top of the post, and them build it half of the ground level, them have to have step up to go into the house. Not staircase, step up. And that is where you have, Marcia. Just like where the country people them that build them place, yeah, where them build it half a ground level because of the water gushing from the hillside. Yes. So you have like a, them that call it cellar. You understand what I say to you? And that you have. You don't have no upstairs, Marcia. It's a step up you have. 3 step. 1, 2, 3. And you're reaching the bedroom. That's not a staircase. That's a step up. You come and talk about your upstairs, What do you ever see it in me? I say, she lock off light and she lock off all the light and she go upstairs now in her bedroom. And when I go some boom and look, me never say Marcia, me never know say 3 step until me see that video here. But me count and me say about 2 step Marcia me can reach in her bedroom, man. And upstairs that. Upstairs carry staircase. That is a step up.
Every day you watch me.
It seems like you over here watching and watch you a comment.
You're lucky say roaming here. If you tell us something good and proper. Good evening.
You should even dep on the live and talk about lucky roaming there. You should even dep on the live, Marcia.
I must cook some cauliflower and I want to eat some cauliflower. Because that when me have a while ago.
Mind it to me and the little boy. Mind your food, the little boy. Because I don't know where you cook like you run experiment on the little boy. Watch you cook and give the little boy him regular feed, don't him forget. I'm not trying to experiment and cook this, cook that, give the little boy. Mind your to me and him. Mind your food, him. Oh. Romy, watch your belly.
Let her touch up. I wonder if you eat some cauliflower. Him love vegetable and that's one thing with him. Where you have you put in a belly for? Huh? Yeah, me say, una might not like my belly, but Romy love my belly. Romy love in grandma belly. Romy not stop beat, not stop put your foot in her belly.
Romy, I look comfort, yes? So anyway, Romy get come a baby, you know. Anyway, comfort come from baby take comfort, you know.
Romy not stop.
Him not aware of what kind of belly he rub down.
And Romy come there within 2 hands.
Him not aware of what kind of gut he rub down, man. Him just a rub kind of look comfort. Him a search a comfort.
And no, you know. And the belly make nice. So me tell Romy do me this morning. Me lie down say that Romy have my lashes. You know say Romy pluck off me 2 lashes off of my eye. How the boy know say lashes them are real?
But they're not going no further than my people. Me just a show no, so she's still in the comment. And she still a pick out the comment them. So no continue to comment. Continue to make sure give me the views. She not give me a thumbs up or watch no. You know? Make sure stay over here. Say we are watch she and a she are watch we can be proven because she can't tell you about she stop come and say people send her now, you know. Because why people that pick out special comment and send to her. And there is so much comment. And so much I would have time to send go give her. They would have walked the Sakashi. Anyways, people mind people. As me say. All of you out there, we don't look a passa on the careless mix up. Someone who have life to live. Someone who know definitely not have no life to live. But at the same time, you know, you can't make things so obvious, man. Get a hold on yourself, man. You can't make things so obvious, man. You understand? And as me say, me a big man, me a big boy. So me don't want nobody to watch me hockey. Nobody me don't want to watch me hockey. If you don't want hockey, if you go watch you no boy pick the hockey. And if you don't want church, if you watch you no go watch you no girl pick the church. You understand? Any water me want for my teapot, I don't leave that alone. I want to stop spread propaganda and carry fabricated story and false news, man. What is this now for try to bring down people? Or probably you just say this because you don't know latest soft or you don't want, you know, get her in her feelings and whatsoever. I can't me not try nothing with you, sir. I can't me not try nothing with. And as me say, if there is more, I would really like somebody send it to me. And point out the time of the video. Because I don't have the time to sit down and listen to it. Because I don't know it there. It's like you have to sit away and put on. So you send me the video if there is more to it. Because than when me send me here. You send me the video and just text on at the bottom. Check from 2 minutes to 8 minutes in the video. Or check from 40 minutes to 50 minutes in the video. So when I go up on the video, I can know which part I go. You understand? Because nothing like looking for something where you not put up. So bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. You know the do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, please go over there and give it a subscription. Come with up on the road to 3,000 subscribers. Help it to reach 3,000 subscribers by next month. You know, because you have to take it step by step, you know. Yes, man. And remember the cash app pin in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I give back the gift to the needy, not the greedy. You know, I'm in obligation to send nothing neither. Because if you send and I send, I still go in a little amount time and do what me can do. It's only that mother life we can reach out to, you know, if I'm not extra few. I remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Pin also. Give her a subscription. Life with Gabby and Chevy. You know, she getting closer. She getting there. She's what 660 something now. She just want a mere 300 and a little bit more. No help her, man. Go over there and give her, just flood her out with a marathon if you do not subscribe yet. Life with Gabby and Chevy. The link in my comment section. Me I beg you a long time now. From we almost a year now. Me I beg you. Give her the 1,000, man. Just call it so I run a marathon for no one without me come. I run the marathon and I watch if it a go up or a go up. Only just run it. Only subscribe yet. Just subscribe. The link in my comment section. And remember Tamika Douglas, another family member. Her link is also, I repost it in my community. Very refreshing channels. You know? Yes, man. Family channels like that. Just go over there and give her a subscription to Tamika Douglas. It's in my community. And Life with Gabby in my comment section. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I don't know watching naysayers them, yeah, man. Most of them people are, me don't know. Me don't know what to say. You understand? But most of them people seems to be real pretenders. Trust me, them. Most of them, you know, real pretenders, real fake. Most of these people. But as I say, he's not a person who quick for cast judgment. You know, I reserve casting judgment. Because when I cast it, I don't want to come apologize. I don't want to have a doubt. I just want to cast and know say, I hit my cast and I'm done with it. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching again. As I say, whether them free up the, I just wait for YouTube decision. Whether them free up the video with the chocolate and vanilla or not, after them give me them decision, either way, I still going to release it. Alright, because it is not a strike, you know, it's just a restriction of ads. You know, and sometimes it's not all about the money out here. Yes, sometimes you put in the work and you create your content and make your content. You know, you want to see something from it, but it's not all about the money sometimes when you want to get certain message across. You understand? And it's, as I say, it's not a strike despite, you know, really like to see your videos restricted, because when your videos are restricted, it kind of mash up your algorithm. You understand? It mash up your algorithm on a level. So, bless up on yourself. Until then, catch you again. If them free up by later, we'll get another video. You understand? Yes, so we might get 2 in a one. If not, go and hold tight.